Before we're actually going to start advertising on Facebook platform, let's take a look at Facebook advertising options. How we can actually advertise on Facebook. First of all, we have our advertising account. Everyone has its own personal account. You can give it a name, and each account has an account ID, a unique number. If you have one advertising account, but you have few different Facebook pages, you can use that account in order to advertise on any of your Facebook pages. It means that by using one advertising account, you can advertise on few different Facebook pages at the same time. In addition, nowadays you can use an Instagram as a platform for advertising, so you can use your Facebook account to advertise on your Instagram as well. Take a look at this image. By using one Facebook account, you can advertise on Facebook page number 1, on Facebook page number 2, and at the same time on Facebook page number 3 and on Instagram number 3, which is related to that page. It means that if you have different products or different services, you would need different Facebook pages, but you can work on one Facebook advertising account. Let's talk about campaign levels. We have 3 different campaign levels. We have campaign, we have ad set, and ad. I'm going to use this terminology for this course, so just remember when we're talking about level 1, it's our campaign, level 2, it's our ad set, and level 3 is our ad. So this is how it looks like. You can build only one campaign, but you can create few different ad sets, and each ad set can have an ad or even a few ads if you want. In our next lesson, we're going to talk about different campaign types before we're going to create our first campaign. Facebook has a lot of different campaign types to offer. Let's see which one should we use for our advertising. For June 2019, those are all campaign types that Facebook has to offer. Those campaign types almost didn't change for the past few years, except that they moved a campaign type page likes into engagement campaign, and as of now, engagement campaign has a lot of different variations. Let's take a closer look into Facebook campaigns and see what each campaign has to offer. Let's start from Reach campaign. Reach campaign can show your ad to maximum number of people in your audience. That's it. That's all it does. Brand awareness is very similar to Reach campaign. It shows your ad to a maximum number of people, but in this case, it tries to show it to people who are more likely to recall your ad in order to increase your brand awareness. Video views campaign. Its goal to simply promote your videos. And engagement campaigns. Today, by using engagement campaigns, you can get more people to see your ad, to engage with your page, to engage with any of your posts or offers. Traffic campaigns. They are simply needed in order to increase number of visits to your website or to get more people to use your app. Conversion campaigns. Get more people to use your website, Facebook app or mobile app. By using those campaigns, you can track and measure your conversion, use your Facebook pixel and app events. Lead generation campaigns are very popular on Facebook, and they're simply there in order to let you collect leads directly to Facebook without using any website or landing pages. Messages campaigns. You can promote anything with this type of campaign. By clicking on your ad, people will open a conversation inside Messenger with your page. And if you build your advertising correctly, you can actually create a lead generation campaign, a support campaign, or answer any of their questions about your brand or your product. App installs. You can simply use this campaign and send people to App Store or Google Play Store in order to download your app. Store traffic. You can promote your physical business to people who are located nearby. Catalog sales. You can show your product from your catalog based on your target audience. And by this, Facebook means that if you have an online store, either you're using Shopify or WooCommerce or any other platform, you can create a catalog on Facebook and then advertise it directly to your Facebook followers. Those were all of our campaign types. In our next lesson, we're going to talk about campaign creation. That's it from me today. I hope you found this video very helpful. So if so, please click that like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful as well. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.